If you love Eat Australia, you know that we love vineyards here. And as I drink more wine, I become more interested about the process. Now, we're here at First Creek Wines and they're the gurus in that. So we're gonna find Liz and she's gonna run us through that whole process. So let's dance. Staff only. I think we hit the jackpot. Come through here, Titty. Now we're just gonna find Liz. Has anyone seen Liz? Liz! Hey, I'm Andy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Are you good to take us through what's going on here?
Sure.
Sweet. So Liz, this is step one. Grapes to site.
Grapes have arrived. So this is definitely the first bit, which we have a look at the fruit and see how it looks from that vineyard spot back to here. And then it'll go into the hopper and into the tanks by this afternoon.
And this happens every single day.
Every single day.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
9, yes.
Times what, 2 tonnes?
Yep, so about a 22-tonne
So
truck.
a heap of grapes.
It is a lot of grapes. So the fruit comes in.
Yeah.
To stop oxidation, we chill the fruit down really, really cold.
Yeah.
So if we don't, you get really high levels of oxidation, which then takes all your flavours and all your aromatics away.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely cold is best. And when we go into the winery, you'll see that everything's really cold.
Gotcha.
So.
Grapes are crushed, juice is fermented, and now this is the shardy, which we actually sell on our wine list at Rosebery. So this is important for me.
Nice.
That's why I came here.
Excellent. Yes, so the juice comes into the barrels.
Yep.
They're all French. So this little one is called a hogshead and it holds 300 litres. So this has not yet been sulphured, but the smell of it tells you that it's nearly finished ferment. So it's got like a bit of that yeasty bread dough character.
Yep.
It's just ticking out towards its finish.
Right.
So, and it's dry. So
It's dry.
Yep.
It's still got that little bit of oak there though.
it does. So it's starting to develop. So that's a 2-year-old barrel. And the number.
That's been in, hang on, that's a 2-year-old barrel. What's that mean?
So we've used it for 2 years
Okay.
already. So it's not brand new.
Yeah.
So if you taste
Do you get more out of a brand new barrel or less out, like, is it quicker?
much more out of a brand
Okay,
new barrel.
right.
So brand new barrels, you don't want to use too many of them or your wines will taste like they've got oak chips or, you know, they're quite pencily and that sort of thing. So
Pencil, haven't had that one before.
yeah, so pencil,
that's when you
HB
want-
pencil shavings.
Okay.
Yep,
That's when you
straight
want
up.
to take it out.
I like it. What else do we got?
Do you boys want to have a crack?
You want to taste?
I won't be able to cook if I keep going at this pace. Liz just took us through the nuts and bolts. Now we go to her partner. Hey Sean, how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
Good.
Should we go through the process?
Come for a look.
This way?
Come for a look. So our wines come in, they're only in here for maximum 24 hours and then we like to get them in glass.
Right.
And then once the wines are in tank, we bring the wine through 3 different grades of filtration. So you know that what's going in the bottle is
Good shit.
good shit. Yep.
No, not at all.
There you go.
Easy.
Done.
No worries, mate. Well, mate, I'm going to have a little cook-up. I'm going to do a little pasta dish. You got a bottle lying around?
I can get you some Chardonnay.
Beauty.
Give me a second.
Mate, this one's actually on the list.
Is
at
it?
Rosebery, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Goes down like a dream, so.
Stuff. All right, man.
Thanks, Sean.
Excellent.
See you soon.
That's good.
Are we cooking? We're cooking. Okay, so we've been over there and learnt how to make this stuff from First Creek. Now, I'm gonna let you in on my go-to. It's a little pasta with a blistered tomato sauce and some anchovies, some capers, some garlic, some lemon, some chili. That's it. So it's really quick, it's really easy, and it's really, really tasty. We're gonna go in with a good lug of Aussie extra virgin olive oil. And from there, we're gonna go in with onions, finely chopped, and we're gonna go in with anchovies. Now these guys, they are the bee's knees. They're potent, they're salty, they're umami, they're all of the good stuff. And really, I reckon that's what makes this pasta sauce. So we're gonna let these simmer, we're gonna let these saute off, and once they start to go clear, we're going in with our garlic and capers. Okay, so next up, we're going in with about 1.5 cloves of sliced garlic and a good handful of capers. Again, another little salty pop that's going to go throughout the pasta. And lastly, just a chili. We're going to finally slice her up and bang that into our mix. So recap, onions, anchovies, garlic, chili and capers. Like, you know it's going to taste good. We're going to sweat this down. Once those chilies start to soften, it's time to introduce our tomatoes into it. Then we season. Okay, we saw that little top down. We've got sizzle, 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 and all those flavors are sort of coming together to make the sauce. Now, what's going to bring them together even more is our tomatoes. So I've got a punnet there of little heirloom cherry tomatoes, and we've just halved them up. And with that olive oil and the pasta, we're going to emulsify that together to create our sauce. So you can see those tomatoes are starting to collapse and shrivel up a little bit. That's when you want to introduce salt, a good amount, because tomatoes need it, and black pepper. Okay, so everything has come together now. Those Tommies are fully collapsed. They're part of that sauce. Now we're going to go in with pasta. Really any pasta, like don't discriminate, whatever's in the cupboard. Then we're going to go the juice of a lemon. And Josh, you want to help me pick some basil in here? Sure. Just pick all those in real quick. Okay, so basil's in, and now tossing the pasta round and round and round. It's going to coat the pasta in layers and layers of that sauce. So it might look like you're showing off, but it actually does a job. So we're just going to keep moving the pasta back on itself, and then let's get on the plate. Okay. Might have wiped the plate a little bit, but hey, that is less than 8 minutes in and out of the pan. I'm going to take this over to the guys and see if they like it as much as I do.